Iona. Tell Grandma what you got. What's that? Your ears? No, we're taking a video. We gotta show Grandma.
No. Mercy.
I'll show you when we're done. So show Grandma where your ears are. Good girl. And show Grandma where your lips are. And show Grandma where your eyes are. And show Grandma where your nose is. Good girl. Can I see your smile? Cheese. Good girl. Do you want to sing a little song?
I'll sing a song.
You can sing a song. Oh, that's dancing. Are you going to sing, Toby?
That's a dance. My dance.
Great start without a word. Wait, Jack shouted. Wait! Miss Jenny, Dad didn't break the slate. I did. And Jack told you.
Good dancing, honey.